what's up? It's Joe Rady from Rady's Rides, and I am back here at Moss Nissan because I know a lot of you have been asking me for special trucks. Well, guess what? I have one of three that are available in the country, and they're here in Florida, and they're here at Newport Richey at Moss Nissan. This is a 2018 Nissan Titan XD, but this isn't your standard XD. This is a K2 Rocky Ridge edition. Now, if you're wondering, well, what does this all add up? Nissan has worked with Rocky Ridge, and they have developed a package for the Nissan Titan XD to take it from mild to wild. I mean, automatically off the showroom floor with that Cummins TurboDiesel engine, you're getting a bunch of great power, you're getting great usability. Now you're getting also style and performance that's going to separate you from the rest of the truck crowd. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front of this truck. So you can see automatically the lift kit that's involved in this vehicle from Rocky Ridge. I like what they did. They've used a spray-on, almost truck bed liner material on the front bumper, on the front grille area. If you're wondering, well, what is this color? It's not just simply black, it's magnetic black, and it really, like a magnet, just draws you to the front of this vehicle. I love the way it sits. I like the way Nissan has done their work with their headlight housings. Just really ties in the front of the truck to really just scream muscular, aggressive performance. And when we say performance, this thing has all the looks, but let's go and take a look at the side because you're going to see some of that performance when it comes to off-road suspension. Before we get to the suspension, check out the wheel and tire package on this. So this is a Rocky Ridge special. You can see the nice gloss black. I love the brushed aluminum here. And we're using, no joke, these are Mickey Thompson Baja ATZ tires. This is something 35 diameter in the tire, so it's a really off-road performance oriented tire. I'm gonna have Tom sneak you back in here and you can see the work that's been done with the suspension, the upper and lower control arms. You can see the shock and the springs and everything. This truck, believe it or not, actually rides better than your standard Nissan Titan XD on all conditions, whether it's pavement or off-road. I really like how loud and proud they display the Cummins TurboDiesel engine, and we're gonna give you a little bird's eye view of that engine once we pop the hood, but let's continue our way down the side. Here's something that really caught my eye. I like how Rocky Ridge, they don't put this big, obnoxious graphics on the side. It's a nice badge, lets you know that this is not your standard Nissan Titan XD. You have that something more. Now, if you're wondering MSRP wise, where is this coming in at? You're looking at around MSRP of around $71,000. Now, before you jump off the couch and say, hey, that's too much, look at what you're getting. You're getting that flared fender look. You're getting those beautiful wheels with those Mickey Thompson 35-inch tires. You're getting that off-road capability that you're just not going to find anywhere with other brands. Let's work our way down to the rear. You can see how they just continue to look. I'm going to have Tom go ahead and show you what's going on with the rear suspension. You can see the rear differential there, the drive shaft. Everything just is really set up to allow you to enjoy this vehicle. And this is a truck that you could drive on a regular basis, and you don't need to be taking it in the Baja 500, even though the tires really could hold you down in that type of situation. To wrap it out back, they did the same lining on the rear bumper. Very, very nice. You can see it's a 4x4, obviously. And I just like how clean the back of the truck is. Look at how much space. Tom, show them the back there. You can see that huge single exhaust coming back from that Cummins TurboDiesel. There's that huge differential. Just a really, really wild example of what is available. This truck, full warranty. You're good to go. You have the backing and you have style and performance that you're not going to find anywhere. Let's go ahead, speaking of performance, and check out that engine underneath the hood. All right, guys, time to check out the heart of this beast, that 2018 Nissan Titan XD, that Rocky Ridge edition. There it is. That name, it's been tried and true in the diesel engine market for years and years. That's a 5-liter V8. You're looking at around 350 horsepower, and you're looking at 555 foot-pounds of torque. This is what you want to call a stump puller. You could put this connect this to a tree stump and just yank it right out of the ground. I really just like how beautiful the engine is. You know, I really like the mechanical workings of trucks and cars, and there's just something about the Cummins TurboDiesel. I like the intake plenum. I like how there's not a bunch of plastic hiding everything. It says what it is, and it says it proudly, that 5-liter turbo diesel engine. These things are bulletproof to get hundreds of thousands of miles out of. It's mated to a 6-speed transmission. That's going to help with keeping you in that proper torque band, keeping you in that sweet spot where you want to be when you are towing, when you are pulling things, or when you're just driving around normally. Speaking of this turbo diesel, let's go ahead and fire it up and see what it sounds like. Alright guys, we're inside the Titan XD, that Rocky Ridge edition. Get ready. I hate to say it, it's gonna be zonk filled. This interior is lacking compared to a lot of other trucks out there, especially Ford products. If you look at the door panel, Tom went ahead and knocked on it. It's a lot of hard plastic. It's very simplistic. I wish they would have brought some Rocky Ridge specialness into the door panels, into the dash, into the seats. Speaking of the seats, check out these seats. They are comfortable, but I would like to see some contrast stitching. I would like to see heated and ventilated seats. I would like to see maybe that K2 Rocky Ridge embroidered on the headrest here. I think that would be beautiful. I do like the size of the center console. It is very comfortable and whatnot, but it's not very deep like the Fords and whatnot. This is really just where it loses my love. This whole center console, the infotainment screen, way too small, does not have dual climate. These cup holders, I don't know. I know a lot of you that love Nissan trucks might not like this, but I feel like it's from AutoZone or something. They're not very, very hard plastic, very flimsy. You could see where the money was spent on this car. It's spent on the under the hood. Harder plastic. It's a little soft, but I mean, this is very hard plastic. It's nice. Is it $71,000 nice? If I had $71,000 for a truck, I would be going to get a Ford Raptor ASAP. Look above. No sunroof. Not even a single sunroof. So many trucks have panoramic sunroofs. If you think the zonk stopped there, come on over to the driver's side and we'll show you what's happening behind the wheel over here. All right, guys, time to show you what's going on behind the main side of the business, the driver's side. You could see the running boards that are additional add-ons by Rocky Ridge with some lighting effect. Seating position is really nice. I can't believe this. $71,000 truck, and this is what I'm doing. I'm manually adjusting the seat. I'm manually adjusting this. Seriously. Outside, they knock it out of the park. In here, there's a lot of work to be done, and it's up to you. You're spending with, you're speaking and spending with your wallet. Let's see what it looks like here. I'm gonna go ahead and fire up that Cummins diesel. Very simplistic steering wheel. Gauges are not too bad. You have the nice silver trim around it. You have an LED display in the center, but I would like to see some Rocky Ridge. Where's the Rocky Ridge magic in here? I feel like the magician left and he took all the tricks with him. But this is what you're getting from Nissan and Rocky Ridge at the end of the day. Do you love it? It's really up to you. I say come down to Moss Nissan, see Nico, and take this car for a drive and see what you think. And obviously, I know I said car twice. I know I'm sitting in a truck, so don't zonk me in the comment section too much. But if you're ready, I'm kind of ready to wrap this one up. Let's go ahead and wrap it up.
All right, guys, surprise. Here's Big Guns McGee. Tom and I were in the Titan. What's interesting is I didn't think we were going to be driving this one. And lo and behold,
here we
got the keys and we're behind the wheel of this Rocky Ridge, that 2018 Nissan Titan XD. I'm going to focus on just the driving of it, just how it feels. Tom, have you ever been up this high in a vehicle before?
Not a school bus, I think.
This,
but it's pretty high.
I've never sat behind the wheel of a vehicle that I was driving down the road with this type of height before. And you know what? It actually floats.
It's smooth.
Like a butterfly. I mean, it's super smooth. It's got great visibility out the back. The mirrors are great. The side windows are great. And it just kind of floats and just feels good, but it's a solid feel. It's not like this, like, wobbling all over the place.
It's quiet.
Very
quiet. Believe it or not. Even when you hear the sound clip, it's just very quiet. I don't know, it's docile. Yeah,
it's very, very quiet, even though it's got that Cummins diesel, that 5-liter V8 turbo diesel. I'm gonna go ahead and get on it a little bit. I mean, with that 6-speed,
it's smooth.
It's smooth. It really, you don't even almost feel the shifts, really. And it pulls all the way to the red line. Red line is 4,000 RPM with that 6-speed. It's really a nice riding truck. I mean, if you want something, like I said, I think the key to this truck is you want something that's unique, that's gonna allow you to stand out. And this truck definitely does that. I'm gonna go ahead and tip it into this right-hand turn, see how it feels around a turn. Wow. What do you think?
No, it's very, very sturdy.
Yeah, very sturdy, very stable.
It doesn't tip too much. Some cars have like nosedive.
Yeah.
But no, this is fine.
Well, especially a truck with this kind of lift.
10 feet off
the 35-inch tires, those Mickey Thompson handles pretty good for a full-size turbo diesel truck on a lift with the huge wheels, with the huge tires. Seating position's very comfortable. I'm gonna go back to my original Zonks on the interior. It's a little cheap, it's a little plasticky, it's a little dated. I mean, I feel like I'm back in 2010 driving a truck, because this is where I think a lot of trucks were at, but the truck segment has just moved on.
It's been moving up.
I mean, especially, you know, we've been spoiled driving a lot of Fords, and Ford really has their A game they're bringing with their trucks, especially on the interior. And I think that's where this Nissan really missed the mark, especially where were the people at Rocky Ridge sitting in this truck?
We would love to see, if you could see behind me, I don't know if you can see it or not, but we'd love to see Rocky Ridge with their logo, or the K2.
Or just maybe even some different seats altogether. Just different seats altogether would be nice. But
something more race-worthy.
But I'm doing 40 miles an hour right now. I'm at about 1,200 RPM, and this thing is purring like a pussycat, and it's super smooth. Very easy to drive. I'm actually liking the height here. You know, it's like I keep driving more and more trucks. This one is the highest, and yeah, they keep getting higher. What's next?
Yeah, monster truck.
It's like the amount of
Gravedigger might be next on race.
Well, I'm sorry, Tom.
All right.
I'm sorry.
I'll get my hopes up.
No, being 42, I'm pretty much twice your age.
Yes.
I think Bigfoot. Okay. For me, it's got to be Bigfoot.
Okay.
You know, if you're a kid that grew up in the 80s and 90s, Bigfoot was where it was at. Not Gravedigger's great. Don't get me wrong, but Bigfoot is like all America. Go ahead and get on a little bit. Like I said, the truck is very, very stable, very smooth. Even on a twisty bend, there is some lean because of the height.
And gravity.
And gravity, yes. But it's actually very, very assuring, and you don't feel like you're out of control. I would love to take this off-road somewhere. It would be a lot of fun.
Definitely.
One thing to point out with the interior in Nissan, and I know Tom will agree with this, is Nissan is doing some great work with some of their other vehicles. Their new 2019 Altima.
Yep, the Maxima. The
Maxima is very nice. I think within the next year or two, hopefully within the next year for Nissan's sake,
this should be their next focus.
They need to redesign not only the exterior, but the interior of this truck. The interior is probably the biggest sore spot, especially when we say $71,000. $71,000 is a lot of money for anything, especially a pickup truck. And it's like there are other options out there.
Things we would like to see that we know for $71,000 you'll probably get with other cars or other trucks. Sunroof.
Panoramic sunroof.
Panoramic, at least one sunroof.
Yeah, I want panoramic.
Panoramic. Don't be jealous or greedy. But, dual climate, temperature and thermostat and everything. And if you can have heated seats or AC at least, one or the other. Or
no, listen, man, I'm going to be greedy because guess what? $71,000, you're going to be greedy. I want to see air conditioned, heated seats. I want to see massage seats, aka the F-250 King Ranch and stuff. I want to see nice leather materials and appointments. I want to see
a
like
bigger
you said,
screen.
yeah, bigger infotainment screen. Guys, we're gonna roll on out here. I'm gonna get on it and just show you a little bit of speed.
Good turn.
Good turn. Drops down. Remember, it's a 6-speed transmission. I'm up to 60. It's actually really quiet. The tires don't make a ton of noise. I mean, you can hear them working, but not too bad. And that engine is, for a turbo diesel, it's
very quiet.
Very quiet. Brakes are great. Steering is nice and tight. That is the one thing I do like about the rack in this car, is that it is a very tight steering.
Reactive.
And I like that, because I think if it was a little too much play, it would really throw everything off with that suspension and whatnot.
Being this high off the ground.
Exactly. But hopefully this is giving you a little taste of what this truck is all about. But we are now officially, it's official, Tom, we're ready to wrap this one up.
All right.
This is the tallest vehicle on Rady's Rides.
So far.
We've had a McLaren 720S. That's probably the most expensive that we've driven.
And the lowest, probably.
Yeah. But now we have this. So
check that off.
Check that off. The bucket list, the box, and we'll see you in 1 second.
All right, guys, it's been one hell of a day here at Moss Nissan. I definitely got to give a huge shout out to Nico and everybody here at Moss Nissan. $71,000. That gets you a lot of vehicle out there, whether you're looking at a truck or a car. I guess it's really up to you. Do you want something unique? Guess what? This 2018 Nissan Titan XD, that Rocky Ridge K2 edition, is definitely unique. Is it worth your $72,000? That's something for you to decide. Only 3 in the country. This is one of them. All 3 are here in Florida. So definitely want to come down to Moss Nissan, see Nico in Newport Richey. Check this one out for yourself. But it is your money at the end of the day, and you do what you feel is best and right by you. But if these are the types of vehicles you like to see on Rady's Rides, these one-of-a-kind custom trucks by the factory with another company to get the warranty, go ahead and leave a comment in that comment section. If you have not hit subscribe yet, honestly, what are you waiting for? These are the types of things I'm bringing. This was special. This was a surprise. I just came to Moss Nissan to do another vehicle. They had this here, and I said, you know what? I got to do it because I know you guys love the trucks. If you have been subscribing, thank you. I'm so grateful, so full of just love for all of you. Thank you for being part of the community here. Thank you for being part of the family here on Rady's Rides. It just keeps getting better and better, and I'm just so glad you're on this journey with us, Tom and I, my wife, and everybody else. So definitely thank you for that. Check out my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Twitter pages. All Rady's Rides original content all the time. Get yourself some merch. The holidays are coming up. I know you know somebody with a birthday. Get them a Rady's Rides shirt. It's a great way to support the whole journey. Tom is laughing right now. It's so great to support. It's so great to help us promote. You know, a lot of you going out there, being seen with the Rady's Rides merch, that's the way to do it. So thank you so much for all that. Tom is laughing his ass off. Tom, we love you, even though you laugh and you ruin the end, but that's okay because this is all real. This is all off the cuff. We're not practicing. Tom's been practicing though. He's been getting ready for that powerlifting competition. It's coming up soon, so definitely show him some love. And Tom, thank you. We can't do it without you getting all the angles of this wonderful truck. And just like always, guys, I'll see you on the next ride.